class, today I'm going to show you how to make a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm going to start by going to Insert, New Slide, picking a blank slide. I'm going to go over to Table. I'm going to draw a 4x4 table. I'm going to center it. For this, I want to change the shading on the top left-hand box. So I'm going to go over to Shading. I'm going to press White. Then I'm going to put a border around it. I'm going to do the same thing for every one. And you can type right here whatever you want your top category to be. So let's just say I want it to be number of animals in project. I'm gonna highlight that, go up here, Times New Roman, size 18, change the font to black. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and good luck.